we guide you through how to free up space on iPhone. First, open Settings, tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Wait a few seconds while your iPhone analyzes what's using the most storage. At the top, you'll see recommendations like Offload Unused Apps, which removes apps you don't use while keeping their data, so enable it if you want extra space instantly. Next, scroll through the list of apps to identify the biggest storage users. Tap apps like Photos, Messages, or social media apps to review and remove unnecessary files or downloads. If Photos is taking up too much space, turn on Optimize iPhone Storage under Settings, Photos. If you use iCloud Photos, then return to iPhone Storage and clear old attachments and messages if needed. You can also delete downloaded videos, offline music, podcasts, and files you no longer needed. And finally, restart your iPhone to refresh the storage calculation, then check iPhone storage again to see how much space you've recovered.